Everybody, and welcome to Creating with Donna. Today, what you see before you is a full do-it-yourself junk journal kit. I've already made the journal. Okay, let me move all this aside so you can see what all I'm talking about. This is the cover. It's a file folder. I've already made a 2-signature, the sheets. That's already cut and inked, ready to go. It's got some pockets already placed in it, as you can see. And I just want to flip through here so you can see. Put some of these pockets this way. Okay, so that's the first signature. The second signature is a little bit fatter. Okay, and I've already put some stuff in it. I am going to be printing out some more sheets of this with cutouts where you can cut out more pockets and stuff. You'll have to probably back them on some sturdier paper, that type of thing. So this is that's a little vellum envelope, and it's got whale-tail tabs in it. And that's number 2. So you have your signatures ready to go. You can do whatever you want to with them. You have your cover. You can do whatever you want to with it. And like I said, I will be having papers and stuff, more papers printed and put with this so that you can cover it with paper. You can cover it with fabric. You can do whatever you want. So that's the actual journal part itself. Now, what I am including in this bundle is a lot, guys. I have an entire bag of ephemera. Some of this already matches. Like I said, I'm going to be printing out some more that match the actual journal itself. I have some neutral ephemera, neutral tabs. I have some stuff that I've already made, journaling cards. I have some corner pockets. I have envelopes you can put in here. I have antique stuff. This is thick. I have an entire bag of ephemera that will be going with that. I have an entire bag of sari silk and trims. I have a couple of clusters already made in here. I have an entire stack of little cutouts that you can make your own clusters. So there's that little bag that'll be going with it. I'm going to find a place to put all this. I have a bag of pre-made ruffles. So I got a white, couple green, some like an off creamy, and some just spare ruffles I had that I threw in there. I have a little bag of paper clips. I have hidden paper clips. I have this one, and I have this little hat, and I have this little pink one. So 3 hidden paper clips, and then other paper clips, minis and gold ones, and I have some bulb pens in there. I have ivory, flat back pearls, and some gold bling that I've enclosed in there as well. So let me get this back all the way back down in here because I don't want it to get all miscombobulated. Then I have an entire bag of laces. So we have this mint, this muted moss green, ivory, almost a brownish ivory, a mauve. We have this, what's got the blue in it. Then we have just plain old ivory. Another piece, very large piece of plain ivory. This vibrant blue, because there's some vibrant blue pages, as you can see. And then some of this sheet of lace and some netting. So lots and lots of lace. Then we have scrap fabric. We have cheesecloth. This is like a linen beige. This is a piece of like weaved, very soft fabric. Some pieces of that's just end cuts in the dark. A couple little pieces with pink on them. This green, this pink, and this is an actual pouch that was going to be made into like a purse. And I thought what you could do with this is once you got finished with your journal, you could put a little button on here or something, or you can just cut this up for scrap and you could put your journal down in it. So whatever you wanted to do is what you can do. And then we have an entire bag of pages, trims, some 6x6 sheets that would match the journal, some neutrals, a piece of vellum, some of this straw paper. I have some cut-offs from that. A piece of wallpaper, another piece of wallpaper, book page, vintage book page, some of these corresponding colors that match all the stuff in the journal that you could tea stain or coffee stain, and you cut these out for journaling cards or backing cards or pockets. A piece of this mulberry paper, and then we have some pinkish purple, some pink, a little bit more pink, the bright yellow, and then a couple pieces of this lace. And I will be printing out a whole nother set of the pocket pages that you make the pockets out of. So that is a lot for one kit, and I just wanted to let you guys know that this is going to be going up on my Ko-fi shop today, probably before 5 o'clock today. And I just wanted to let you know that it was for sale and available today. I hope that you enjoyed this quick little flip through of my next journal that'll be available for sale on my Ko-fi. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.